The Jharkhand High Court has granted bail to former Chief Minister Hemant Soren in a high-profile money laundering case linked to a land scam. His lawyer Arunabh Chaudhary stated that the court prima facie found Soren not guilty of the alleged offence. Previously, the court had reserved its decision on Soren's bail plea on June 13th. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Hemant Soren, the executive president of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on January 31st on charges of money laundering. The ED accused him of manipulating records through fictitious transactions and forged documents to acquire 8.86 acres of land in Ranchi valued at crores. Soren consistently denied the charges, alleging that his arrest was politically motivated, moved by the ruling party, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, to disrupt the opposition ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. The bail order was granted upon the payment of two sureties of 50,000 each. Mr. Soren's counsel Arunabh Chaudhary highlighted that the court found no likelihood of Soren committing an offence while out on bail. These decisions come after the series of setbacks last month for Soren. Senior advocate Meenakshi Arora, representing Soren, argued that the case was fabricated and politically driven. ED counsel S.V. Raju had claimed that the witness confirmed Soren's involvement in the illegal land deal, with Soren's media consultant admitting the manipulating official records of Soren's instructions. Kapil Sibal, another lawyer for Soren, contended that allegations did not constitute an offence under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, framing them instead of a civil dispute over property rights. He further alleged that the criminal proceedings were intended to keep Soren imprisoned for ulterior motives. Following the arrest, Hemant Soren resigned as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand and his loyalist Champai Soren assumed the position. The bail comes days after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal got bail in Delhi excise policy case. However, the Enforcement Directorate later secured a stay on the bail order from the Delhi High Court. Later, the CBI arrested him in the connection with the same case. With no other cases against him this time, Hemant Soren is expected to be released soon. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.